Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is reviewing a 3-day vegan reset that I recently did, and it's by Kim Julie Hansen. I will list all of her information down in the description box if you guys decide that you'd like to give it a try also. So what I thought I would do, I would just kind of quickly scroll through the ebook that I got and kind of show you what all it entails. As you can see here, it overviews day 1, day 2, day 3 foods. She shows you what type of kitchen equipment that you need, your shopping list notes, your meal plan notes, and then she goes into showing you exactly what you're going to need for your shopping list, which is really helpful. And this is just a detailed shopping list page. And as you scroll through, she shows you your meal prep. So you start out by roasting your veggies. Cooking your quinoa. And then here we go into day 1. So for breakfast, day 1 was a blueberry smoothie, which was really, really good. For lunch was a chickpea avocado bowl. I thought this was okay, but I'm not real crazy about chickpeas. So, I mean, I did finish it, but it wasn't one of my favorites. For dinner was a roasted veggie hummus bowl. This was really, really good. Here we have day 2 breakfast was a strawberry smoothie bowl. For lunch, a black bean bowl. And for dinner, this to me did not look really appealing, but once I made it, I loved it. It was so, so good. She also has snacks that you can have. For day 3, the breakfast was a green energy smoothie. So yummy and very, very filling. For lunch, you have the soup again, but except for topping it with the chopped almonds on the previous day, this time you add chopped avocado on top. Now this one for dinner, I did not make this one. It's a creamy mushroom and spinach quinoa stuffed bell pepper. I do not do mushrooms, so don't know how this one turned out, but if you guys are into mushrooms, I'm sure you'll give it a try and think it's really good. But she's got a couple of other books and everything, and I really, really enjoyed this. I felt so good after the 3 days. Here's her info here if you guys want to check out her website, connect with her on Instagram. I'll go ahead and post all of this down into the description box also. Anyways, like I was saying, it made my stomach and everything just feel so good after doing this for 3 days. And I just wanted to review that and let you guys know how it went for me, and hopefully you'll give it a try. I hope you enjoyed my video today, everyone, and I hope that you'll also give this 3-day vegan reset a try. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you are notified each and every time I upload a new video. Take care, stay safe, bye-bye.